How can we quickly brighten up an image in Gimp? After you load your image, head to Colors at the very top. From here, you will see that there is option for brightness and contrast. Open it up, and the very first slider will help us to add more light to the picture. So let's move it to the right. And as you can see, we managed to brighten up an image. You can also play with the second slider to adjust the contrast. Keep in mind, if you add too much brightness to the image, you will make it look kind of flat. So sometimes we need to add a bit both. Contrast again to put back color differences. If you got night picture like this one, you also need to be careful about a noise. So I suggest to zoom in and observe that you didn't add too much brightness, because it may show a noise from the original image. So it's kind of a balancing act. We are kind of limited by the original image, so we can put, let's say, 28% of brightness, but we cannot go all the way overboard here because we will ruin the image in the process. Alright, so that's how you can do it. Simply head to Colors and search for brightness and contrast. Then adjust the slider and confirm with OK. I hope this short tutorial was helpful. I will see you in the next one.